Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to fix Windows 11 audio sound problems. First method is click Start, Settings, click Troubleshoot, click Other Troubleshooters. Click Run under Playing Audio. Second method is type Services in Windows search bar, click Services. Open Windows Audio Service, change Startup type to Automatic, click Start the service, click Apply, click OK. Restart the service. Third method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand Sound, Video and Game Controllers, right-click Audio Device, click Uninstall Device, click Uninstall. Fourth method is click Start, Settings, click Sound. Click More Sound Settings. Right-click Select Show Disabled Devices and Allow Select Show Disconnected Devices, select your playback device, click Set Default, click Properties. Click Enhancements tab, check Disable All Enhancements. Click Advanced tab, select Default Format 1x1, select Best One. Uncheck Allow applications to take exclusive control of this device. Fifth method is open any browser. Type laptop or PC manufacturer name with audio driver in browser search bar. Select product type, series, and model name. Download, extract, and install audio driver. Click Finish to restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.